झुकाने वाला चाहिए, सरकार भी झुकती है और सरकारों को झुकाना भी नौजवानों को आता है।
जो प्रहलाद जोशी जी ने बिल्किस बानो के बलात्कारियों की रिहाई पर जो बयान दिए, उसका प्रमाण मैं आपको दे दूं।
प्रियंका जी को ऑथेंटिक करना चाहिए, ऑथेंटिकेट करना चाहिए। आप जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं, नहीं तो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए कार्रवाई करना चाहिए सर। ये क्या कुछ भी बोल के चल सकते हैं क्या?
एक प्रधान जी को हटा करके प्रधानमंत्री बचा लिया आपने।
37 दिन तक जंतर मंतर नहीं गए क्योंकि इनको डर था कि आप जैसी और एक पार्टी तो तैयार नहीं हो जाएगी।
कांग्रेस शासित यूपीए ने पॉलिसी वैक्यूम करा। वहीं पर अगर मैं जेनजी की भाषा को बोरो करूं, then I will have to say मोदी जी clocked it.
This is a small sample of what transpired in the parliament. The debate is still underway and hopefully will go on till about 10 p.m. But I want you to focus on the double standards that is on full display in parliament. While the House is debating a serious bill to stop paper leaks that will protect the future of millions of students, Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi have changed the goalposts completely. Rahul Gandhi viewers attacked the new minister Prahlad Joshi. Thus far, Rahul Gandhi was saying, get rid of Dharmendra Pradhan, sack him, he must resign, and then we can have a meaningful debate, dialogue. Pradhan has gone, Prahlad Joshi has taken charge. But Rahul Gandhi is now going after Prahlad Joshi. Rahul Gandhi called the new minister filthy. His words, not mine, filthy. And he said this because of old comments on the Bilkis Bano case. Then Priyanka Gandhi Vadra targeted the director of IIT Madras, who is a top scientist, over his Gaumutra remarks. Now, if you were to go by the logic of Rahul Gandhi, then here it is. Anyone who has ever said anything even slightly controversial should never be allowed to handle student affairs or shape policies for the youth. So viewers, I thought let's apply this logic and extend this argument. Rahul Gandhi, as you know, himself is out on bail in a criminal corruption case. I'm talking about the National Herald case. Now, by the same logic that Rahul Gandhi is pushing today, calling the minister filthy, Rahul is a tainted MP. Should a man facing such charges even be standing up and lecturing about students, their future and national policies? Does his own criminal case not disqualify Rahul from lecturing anyone on integrity and student welfare? That is at the heart of what we will debate. Sample the reactions. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, and how the BJP has responded.
इस नई कमेटी में तो एक एक्स आईबी चीफ, फिर चिल्लाएंगे, एक एक्स आईबी चीफ, एक आईटी कंपनी के मालिक और एक गौमूत्र के विशेषज्ञ भी हैं। इन्हें शिक्षा के बारे में क्या पता जी?
All these young people were protesting about the education system.
And so many girls,
And so many girls are protesting. They've been beaten, they've been thrashed. The BJP puts a man who is a defender of rapists. That's the most filthy type of man. There can be no filthier man.
Let's open this up. Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Faizan Kidwai is the national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress Party. Mr. Sarvanand, spokesperson of the DMK, will be with us shortly. Siddharth Sharma, the national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, will be joining the debate in a bit. Dr. Anand Ranganathan is on the panel. Ashwini ji, what is Rahul Gandhi trying to say here? He says the new minister is filthy. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is going after the IIT director.
Pranesh ji, गुड इवनिंग टू यू फेलो पैनलिस्ट एंड योर व्यूअर्स। अगर कहीं किसी के जगह पड़ोस में चोरी होती है, किसी जगह पे चोरी होती है, द रेगुलर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन वुड बी कैच द थीफ। जो चोरी हुआ सामान है उसको बरामद करो, चोरी के कारणों का पता करो, अगर वहां पर सीसीटीवी कैमरे लगवाने सीसीटीवी कैमरे लगवाओ, और उसके बाद में शायद जटिल कानून बनाओ, मेक अ लॉ सो दैट दिस thief does not or any other thief does not dare to do the theft again. That is the normal course of action for
It
any,
is not. यही तो गलती करते हैं आप लोग। पहले चोरी होने के बाद कानून बनाओ कि जो कानून है उसमें कड़ा प्रावधान होना चाहिए, जो आप लोगों ने इतने साल से इग्नोर किया। अब जब नए रिफॉर्म की बात हो रही है तो आप ये सब कर रहे हैं। बट you know, we've had conversations on the provisions of the bill, Ashwini ji. I want you to explain this, you know, the logic that Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are trying to extend. वो क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं by calling the minister filthy, by going after IIT director?
See, Pranesh, I cannot give you answer in yes or no. I need to explain what it means, right? So why we are debating a bill when the accountability of paper leak itself is not set, and if the root cause of paper leak itself is not known. So how a new bill going to stop the paper leak? You might punish people. There have been ample number of laws later on modified to stop rape cases or murder cases, but उससे कम हो जाता है क्या? You need to find the root cause for the problem. Now what you did, you created a committee, you set up a fast court जिसका आपका CBI का lawyer जाता भी नहीं है attend करने. So your intent is not correct. You are putting up people. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान रिजाइन किया और आप उसको ऐसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो जैसे बिल्किस बानो के रेपिस्ट को आपने सेलिब्रेट किया था माला पहनाना. That is what Rahul Gandhi meant by calling him filthy. You
Sir,
cannot
you
celebrate a rape.
अश्विनी जी, मैं आपको बताऊं फिल्थी क्या होता है. मैं आपको बताऊं. You can read out the comments of Prahlad Joshi and I will tell you what is actually filthy. And Mr. Sarvanan is on the panel. Faizan Kidwai also with us. Siddharth Sharma. I'll tell you, listen to this. हमारे जवानों को अरुणाचल प्रदेश में पीट रहे हैं. This is a filthy comment. You know who made this? This is one. Then there are several others. There is a man that the Congress party celebrates on a daily basis. He stays in America. He called people of Northeast India Chinese. He called people from Kerala and Tamil Nadu Africans. That is a filthy comment. The Congress party should not be lecturing anyone about what is filth and filthy. Mr. Mishra, and you tell me, sir, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is going after a top scientist, IIT director. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, अब वो सिखाएंगे किसी को साइंस क्या है? जो टॉप एकेडमिक्स हैं, देश के स्कॉलर्स हैं, उनको लेक्चर देंगी कांग्रेस पार्टी. I want to play out, you know, some gems by Rahul Gandhi. Now listen to this and I leave it to your judgment, viewers.
इमोशनल बात कहना चाहता हूं, दिल की बात कहना चाहता हूं. दिस मॉर्निंग आई गॉट अप एट नाइट.
राहुल गांधी आपके दिमाग में है, मैंने मार दिया उसको. जिस व्यक्ति को आप देख रहे हो वो राहुल गांधी नहीं है.
अगर कोई जुपिटर पे खड़ा है, अगर उसे जुपिटर की खेच से निकलना होता है तो उसे 60 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड एक्सेलरेशन होना चाहिए उसका. हिंदुस्तान में हमारा जात का कॉन्सेप्ट है. दलित कम्युनिटी को इस धरती पे जुपिटर की एस्केप वेलोसिटी की जरूरत है.
Unfortunately, I'm a member of parliament.
Unfortunately, I'm a member of parliament. You can make a joke saying this. Unfortunately for you, but
Unfortunately for you, I'm a member of parliament.
I'm sure you're aware of what Sam Pitroda has said. That also I'll play out in due course if you don't remember his comments now. Should Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra be lecturing the IIT director, Ashwini ji?
Pranesh, I hope you got your check from बीजेपी इकोसिस्टम बिकॉज
ये कांग्रेस के रिएक्शन है सर. बीजेपी इकोसिस्टम राहुल गांधी के ये शब्द हैं.
क्लाउड में जब बारिश होती है तो क्लाउड में मोदी जी डेटा स्टोर कर लेते हैं. मोदी जी की डिग्री, बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, मोदी जी क्या क्या बोलते हैं. अभी रिसेंटली क्या हो, मसौदा बोला था. सो लेट्स नॉट गेट देयर. अगर मोदी जी के बारे में बात करेंगे,
let's go there. Why not? Let's go anywhere you want to go, but you will have to answer my questions. I read out what is a filthy comment. हमारे जवानों को पीटा गया, डंडा मारो प्रधानमंत्री को. People from northeast are Chinese. That is a filthy comment. Mr. Saravanan, what is the Congress party trying to do? All the other opposition parties are having a meaningful debate. Here comes Rahul Gandhi. If he wants to say something about the policy, about the government, you can use the forum, you can use the parliament to voice your concerns. Like all other political parties are saying, like you have been saying on debates. Now he is going after the new minister. There is a concerted, targeted attack against the IIT director.
Yeah. See, there are two things here, Pranesh. First and foremost, I think Mr. Rahul Gandhi is very, very frustrated because he thought he has got the entire anti-government narrative on his side. Everybody who was against the BJP on this education need paper leak and all of the things, the youngsters were all with him. That's what he was thinking. And the CJP, the advent of the CJP has knocked the winds out of the sail of Mr. Rahul Gandhi's narrative. That is the reason this frustration. I think that frustration is now playing out in the parliament. Both Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi, all of them, that is the frustration. This is one aspect of the matter. The other thing is, see, the BJP cannot just escape responsibility and liability by saying, oh, yes, there was a demand for the change of minister. We have changed the minister. All is well. It is not so. It will never be so. And in the state of Tamil Nadu, we want the NEET to be abolished. We don't want NEET at all. Ever since this examination has come in, we have seen a lot of suicides. And only because this time a huge number of suicides has happened in North India, this has captured the attention. Otherwise, NEET is an evil.
So whatever concerns you have, you should use parliament to voice them, like you are saying. And the first aspect, you say Rahul Gandhi is frustrated, Shehzad. Is this frustration of the Congress party?
Actually, it is not frustration. This is called Samanti Parivarik Soch, and they are so anti-merit that a man who has received MS and PhD degrees, who has received IIT Madras facultyship in 2001 and continued to be till now, who has been director of IIT Madras, who has been a leading expert in computer architecture, information security, VLSI design, who has given 150 publications, who has been the associate and the head of the various task force, including artificial intelligence, who has received several awards even during UPA tenure, DRDO Excellence Award, Abdul Kalam Award, ACCS Lifetime Achievement Award, Vasvik Industrial Research Award, and has been feted by all governments, whether BJP or Congress governments, because he does not belong to first family and because he belongs to southern part of the country, he is being abused. It is similar reason why they abuse Anand Ranganathan also, because he has merit, because he belongs to a certain, he does not belong to a certain family. Secondly, let me tell you the double standards. If they have filthy comments which are bothering them, the filthy comments are as follows. Sam Pitroda, South Indians are Africans. Hua to hua, Sikh mare to mare. 1984, bada ped girta hai, dharti hilti hai. Pitai sena ki ho gayi. Hindu terror is there, but Islamic terror is not there. LET is not a dangerous group. Economy is dead. Yuva Shakti ka apman. Samvidhanik Sanstha have already sold out. Samvidhanik Sansthaon ka apman. Abusing Rashtrapati, calling her Rashtrapatni because she comes from the Adivasi community. These are filthy comments. Now look, entirely it is about the double standards. Just 20-30 seconds more. First of all, they were crying about the cases on the youngsters, etc. Today, Supreme Court has taken a very balanced view that if you have done some crime, then there will be the cases. If you have criminal records, there will be the cases. 200 policemen have been hurt. They have to be also taken care of. And that's what we are saying. But in Kerala and in Karnataka, do you know there have been 1,500 cases against the protesters? And these are both Karnataka and Kerala is Congress government. Secondly, Till now, where is the education minister resignation of Himachal, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Tamil Nadu? And I will break the record of even Anand Ranganathan in asking this now. Every day, I will ask them, where is the resignation? Finally, if saying that a court order has been given and it follows the law, as has been done by Prahlad Joshi, यही comment है ना? Prahlad Joshi said, ये court का order है, I respect the court order. Rahul Gandhi was charged with the rape of Sukanya. He got clean chit by Supreme Court. So tomorrow if I say Sukanya's order, Supreme Court order is the correct order, am I backing a rapist? I want Anand Ranganathan and Mr. Saravanan to answer me. If I tomorrow say that Rahul Gandhi has been given the relief by the Supreme Court in Sukanya rape case, then am I supporting a rapist and am I filthy?
Ashwini ji, पहले आप ही बोल लीजिए sir. It's only fair that you respond to this.
Although I asked wiser people, but anyways.
Pranesh, Shehzad is trivializing a statement. That statement made against the convict of a rape. कोई किसी केस में छूट जाता है और आप बोलते हो सही हुआ, that's a different story. बट कोई कन्विक्टेड आता है, उसको मालाएं पहनाई जाती हैं और आप बोलते हो इट इज एज पर द कोर्ट निकाला गया, कौन सी गलत बात है, मालाएं पहना दी. दैट शोज योर फिल्दी माइंडसेट एंड फिल्दी इंटेंट. क्या बात कर रहे हो? कुछ तो लॉजिक रखो शहजाद.
One second. Now I will quote. Now there is going to be epic moment in this debate. Anand Ranganathan ji and Saravanan ji, I am drawing your attention because Mr. Prahlad Joshi comes from the south of this country and therefore I beseech you to take intervention. Not that we can't care about south, we all should care about south. Prahlad Joshi statement. Whatever is done has been done as per a legal provision. And if there is a legal provision, then what is wrong in that? It is a legal provision. This is the statement of Prahlad Joshi. Now, if he is a guilty person for quoting the legal provision and upholding the court of law, am I a filthy person for saying Rahul has been given clean chit in Sukanya rape case? Anandji and Sarvananji, please answer me. Or is it because they hate South of India, they are making this comment on Prahlad Joshi? I am asking on behalf of South Indians today.
Mr.
I want to know from DMK.
Mr. Saravanan.
No, we are, I don't know. I don't want to comment anything on that. I don't know, whatever he says on his fanciful ways, I'm not going to comment on that. It's none of my business.
Oh, that's okay, sir. You should be careful what he says. The last time you commented, it became an issue. Dr. Ranganathan?
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless by the stupidity on display by the Congress leaders, particularly the Dynas and their Albert Speers, some of whom are on this panel, who are defending them. Let me give you the example. Let me start with Priyanka Gandhi giving that Gaumutra jibe to one of the scientific prides of India, Dr. Kamakoti, who is heralding a new era as far as India and computer science and engineering is concerned. It is absolutely shameful. But it's not just that. That Gaumutra jibe has been made not just by Priyanka Gandhi, but by the Pulwama bomber as well. And it is ironical, this denigration of somebody who believes in it. I do not believe that Gaumutra is any better or worse than any other Mutra because science tells me that. But this is Congress. This is Chhattisgarh Congress government when it was. Can you see what is written here? It is literally buying Gaumutra for 4 rupees per litre because Baghel, the chief minister, said Gaumutra is exceedingly useful as a pesticide, as a bactericide, and we are going to have this Godhan Yojana under which we are going to procure Gaumutra. This is Congress's Oscar Fernandez, who is saying Gaumutra can cure cancer, and in my family I have proof that cancer has been cured by Gaumutra. So पहले प्रियंका गांधी अपने काउशेड में झांक के देखो और उसके बाद लोगों को गालियां दो for believing in things that Congress leaders themselves believe it, that Congress governments themselves believe it. Coming on the fact of celebrating something, again, look at the hypocrisy. This is the same Congress, shameless Congress, that had zipped lips when the DMK, and my good friend Saravanan is here, when the DMK government and the chief minister publicly felicitated the terrorist killer of Rajiv Gandhi. इतनी भी शर्म नहीं है कि अपने पिताजी की हत्या करने वाले आदमी को गार्लैंड पहनाई चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ तमिलनाडु ने, और ये सांप सूंघ गया था. वो ही कहता हूं ना, 4 नींबू निचोड़ने से दूध भी इतना नहीं फटता. Yeah, I don't want to complete that.
Okay. This is an Oscar in double standard then by that logic, Ashwini ji, before I bring in Faizan Kidwai and Mr. Sharma.
Pranesh, you are creating a committee which will decide the fate of all the NEET students. Their exam paper leaks has happened 4 times because of your earlier failed laws, earlier failed committees. So you need to bring in people who doesn't come from any specific or political ideology.
No, what ideology do you have a problem with, Ashwini ji? Let's talk about ideology. Bataiye na sir, kaun sa ideology should be a bar?
Your education minister is RSS ideologist.
Okay.
जिसने देश जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में बिलीव नहीं करता था उसको आपका एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बना दिया है. वो देश के लोगों को मनुस्मृति सिखाएगा या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सिखाएगा? जो आपने कमेटी बनाई है उसमें आपने कुछ ऐसे लोग लाए हैं who does not think from things from a neutral perspective.
Neutral perspective क्या होता है sir?
I'm sorry my friend.
Scientific temper होना चाहिए. I think Mr. Nehru also believed in scientific temper. The man is a scientist. Look at his credentials. And Dr. Ranganathan just read out your track record. Bhupesh Baghel, Oscar Fernandez, who's who of the Congress party? Who is the Congress party to now decide merit? Rahul Gandhi has gone on record. He has a problem with merit. And he's betraying that mindset here. ये वही दिखा रहे हैं. Anyone meritorious, we will go after them. क्या problem है?
20 seconds, Pranesh. 20 seconds, Pranesh. By that logic, I am also an educated person, studied from an IT, built an IT company. As per Shahzad, had crores of revenue. That means I also have a good merit. Will you endorse everything I say?
One line. Ashwini ji, dear Ashwini, can you tell me which association is the education minister of Kerala from? He won't know. It is Mr. Samsuddin from Muslim League. Muslim League, which was responsible for partition of India, is having the education minister in Kerala, where there has been series of paper leaks and the Vibhajankari Mansikta is good. If somebody is from RSS, what is the problem? RSS is the Soj that Pranab Mukherjee patronized, that Nehruji patronized, that Indiraji patronized, that JP patronized, that Ratan Tata patronized.
No, Ashwini ji, answer this because, Congress leaders in Karnataka and otherwise keep saying, we have a problem with RSS. If you have such a problem, ban to kar dijiye, sir. At least you have a government in few states. Ban the RSS. Walk the talk. Faizan Kidwai, why does it... I'll come to you, Dr. Ranganathan. Faizan Kidwai, what is the problem if someone is, connected to or ideologically inclined to RSS or has anything to do with RSS?
Good evening, Pranesh. Good evening to you and to the fellow panelists. First of all, let me expose Shahzad Poonawalla because he was making factually incorrect points. See, to start with this gentleman, Prahlad Joshi, when he praises the release of these 11 convicts, they were not accused, they were convicts. And as the BJP ecosystem is constantly saying, it was a court order. First of all, it wasn't a court order. This entire process was illegal. It was the Gujarat government which wrote a letter to the Central Home Ministry on 28th June and the center responded on 11th July granting this remission. First of all, when the Honorable Supreme Court heard this case, it cancelled the bail because it was illegal. The case was tried in Maharashtra. So it was the Gujarat government, first of all, had no authority to issue the remission. So the case itself in totality was everything was illegal. That's why these people were thrown back in the jail. Forget about right, wrong, legal, illegal. These were convicts who not only gang raped Bilkis Bano, but killed her 3-year-old daughter. So these people were hardcore criminals. And when Prahlad Joshi, who supposedly, imagine, he's the education minister now, he says, I don't find anything wrong. This means there's certainly something very wrong in his ideology, the way he thinks. Plus, as you said, what is wrong with the RSS? Of course, there's nothing wrong in RSS. This is in their DNA. See, there's this RSS man, Mohandas, who has recently made this remark that instead of pellet guns, the protesters should have been shot dead. Majority of them should have been shot dead. He made a disgusting remark that women protesting, they enjoy being gang raped. This is the ideology of RSS. Then there's another individual, BJP and RSS.
No, Faizan Kidwai, let's go one by one.
Let me answer.
No, 1 minute. Let's go one by one. Faizan Kidwai, you made several interesting points. Faizan भाई, एक साथ ये ऐसा ब्रेथलेस कमेंट्री नहीं चाहिए, अभी लंबी डिबेट चलेगी. फैजान भाई, एक-एक करके करते हैं. मैं भूल जाऊंगा, इसीलिए आप तो तैयारी करके आए हैं, मैं भूल जाऊंगा, इसीलिए आई वांट टू एड्रेस एज वी गो. यू सेड, देखिए मैं भूल गया पहली, अभी आपने बोला नो, यू वर ऑन क्रिमिनल्स, पीपल हु आर कन्विक्टेड should not be celebrated, felicitated. ये तो सर any right thinking individual would have that opinion. But look at the hypocrisy here, sir. Atiq Ahmed, convicted, sir, convicted, tainted to the core, celebrated by the Samajwadi Party. Before I stopped you, you were talking about rape and gang rapes. The Supreme Leader of the Samajwadi Party, late Mulayam Singh Yadav, you know what he thought about rapists? लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है. So when people, 1 minute sir, when people who want to take the moral high ground, when they appear on national television, do they forget their antecedents? Which party they are representing?
Request you, let me respond since you spoke about Netaji.
And then
kindly let me respond. So if you, first of all, अच्छा बीच में मत रोकिएगा, मत कहिएगा मैं भूल जाऊंगा. I'm giving a few points to you. Okay. देखिए, सबसे पहले an individual, his name is Savarkar. He's respected throughout RSS and BJP ecosystem. It was Savarkar who, in his 6 glorious epochs of Indian history, he justified raping women prisoners and criticized people like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Peshwa Chimaya Ji Appa for not doing this. He called this perverted chivalry. As far as supporting something which you said,
how dare you say this about Maharashtra?
What do I say? I said this Savarkar used to criticize.
Let's expose him.
I said,
Let him finish.
Savarkar, are you delusional?
This needs to be, no, this needs to be called out once and for all. आप finish कर लीजिए and then get a sense of history. बोलिए.
Books of Indian history, go read. पढ़े लिखे हो नहीं, कांग्रेस से जंप करके बीजेपी में आ जाओ, तो चमचागिरी
Let's not get personal. If you've come, why are you so rattled? आप क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हैं?
Sir, he gets rattled. The problem with him is he gets rattled. इनकी knowledge zero है, बोलते हैं ऐसे हैं जैसे सब कुछ बहुत बड़े ज्ञानी.
कोई बात नहीं सर, आप बोलिए.
When you accuse Netaji of saying what you just said, then you should also accuse Atal Bihari Vajpayee, because when Rahul Mahajan was arrested in the drug case, what Atalji said, अरे लड़का है, लड़कापने में चीजें करते रहते हैं. So these statements, they have been made across party lines. But
तो आप अपने नेता को डिफेंड कीजिए, ये अपने नेता को डिफेंड करेंगे. लड़के गलती हो जाती है, आप वो डिफेंड कीजिए. उसका क्या मतलब था? When Mulayam Singh Yadav said this, लड़के गलती हो जाती है, क्या मतलब था? And then I'll get Shehzad and Dr. Ranganathan on Savarkar.
That statement was taken out of context, first of all,
yeah,
sir.
Put it in
and
context.
It should also be remembered, sir. It was Shri Akhilesh Yadav and Dimple Yadav ji who immediately said that women respect is of utmost importance to us and we won't tolerate any loose comment or anybody who's doing any sort of harm to a woman. So the matter was settled.
How was the matter settled? It can't be settled. What do you have to say about Atiq Ahmed, sir? You were saying that, you know, politicians must refrain from indulging or celebrating people who are convicted on the wrong side of law, etc. बताइए.
Gave support to Bharatiya Janata Party. Atiq
so
Ahmed,
you call them out. Why why was the SP doing politics with Atiq Ahmed? Why? Only if you take the principal stand can you call out the other. Shehzad, quick response. Dr. Ranganathan, you're next.
First of all, the same Dimple Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav supported Nawab Yadav, who raped a girl from the PDA Samaj. Now, second point, if Savarkar ji, the pride of Maharashtra, the pride of Bharat, the pride of the world, if he was a rape enabler, Indira wrote a letter for him. Indira Gandhi has given the money for his trust. And apart from that, it is YC Yashwantrao Chavan, Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray who hail and eulogize Savarkar. So are they also rapist supporters? And third and last point, Pranesh ji, just one 10-second question to you. Does Congress eulogize Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi? Yes or no?
All the time.
Indira was also convicted, and Rajiv said, "Bada ped girta hai, dharti hilti hai," for those people who raped the women of Sikh community. टायर लगा लगा कर जलाया. तो now I want to ask that the entire Congress is filthy. Prahlad Joshi has not praised, he has quoted legal provision, but Congress praises convicted Indira and that person who hailed the murderers of Sikhs. And Punjab, please listen and understand, Rajiv Gandhi hailed your killers and the Congress eulogizes Rajiv Gandhi.
Dr. Ranganathan, on what we heard from Faizan Kidwai on Savarkar.
No, first of all, I condemn Faizan Bhai is also a brother, but the way he is going personal on Shehzad is completely unacceptable. Faizan Bhai, please don't do that. Number two, yes, it is for me and ordinary Indians who are not hypocrites to say, and I do say, Mr. Joshi got it wrong. He should have apologized after the Supreme Court struck down the Gujarat government's decision, because Supreme Court said Gujarat government was not in a position to make that decision concerning letting off those rapists. So yes, the fact is, Mr. Joshi was wrong. But I am saying this. You cannot say this because you celebrate rapists. You are the one who celebrated terrorists who killed your father. So please, I'm talking about the Congress government that was completely quiet when the terrorist who killed Rajiv Gandhi was publicly felicitated by Stalin. Number three, as far as your fake news of Savarkar is concerned, please, for heaven's sake, Faizan Bhai, do not spread such canards, because your Uddhav Thackeray and Shiv Sena are the ones who revere Savarkar. Read Vikram Sampath's authoritative biography, 2-volume on Savarkar. He has completely exposed the charlatans who've used this as a weapon. This is completely fake news. Read Vikram Sampath.
Even if you don't read the second book, just read the first. You'll be fine. Reading, two voluminous books will be difficult, Dr. Ranganathan. So, don't give such a homework that they can't do. Mr. Saravanan, on the felicitation of Rajiv killers, you have a comment, sir?
No. See, this was with regard to Mr. Perarivalan. And Perarivalan, the officer who conducted the investigation, was on record. He filed an affidavit that he deliberately recorded the statement of Perarivalan so that he could be included in the case. That is the reason why parole was granted and that remission was granted. That is the reason. That is the reason why he was...
No, this is not about parole. This is about conviction. These are people who are convicted. So how does the parole change the character of the case?
Pranesh, this affidavit by the investigating officer was filed after conviction.
Yeah, but sir, it does not change the conviction. Mr. Saravanan?
Yes, Pranesh, that's what. Good sense prevailed over that investigating officer after conviction.
Okay, so good sense prevailed on part of the officer, but the court in its wisdom is yet to overturn the judgment. Mr. Saravanan, do you realize what you're saying?
I realize what I'm saying. It is on the conscience of Mr. Tyagarajan, the investigating officer, who filed this.
Why are you blaming the officer? What about the conscience of your leader, Mr. Stalin?
Yes, see, that's what we have always maintained, that he was an innocent person. He purchased batteries.
Wow.
And the statement was recorded.
So someone who's convicted, someone who's convicted, you will not go by the conviction or the judicial order. You will go by your conscience, your conviction. What your leader thinks is right.
Can I just ask one question?
Sir, this is the CJP mindset, Mr. Saravanan. You should be applying for the top job there.
5-second question. Just 5 seconds. Do you know, Anand, just 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Lalu is convicted 5 times. This Rahul Gandhi, in a day 5 times, he says, Lalu Mahan Yodha hai Samajik Nyay ke. And Gayatri Prajapati was convicted, Akhilesh Yadav carrier par bitakar unka campaigning kar rahe the. Gayatri Prajapati and convicted for what, for raping a minor girl. Faizan Kidwai, मैं अनपढ़ हूँ, मेरा बाप जल्दी मर गया, तो I did not get the privileged education like you. मैं पसमानदा हूँ, आपने गाली दी, ठीक है. आप मुझे बताइए, गायत्री प्रजापति एंड लालू प्रसाद convicted थे, उनको किसने हेल किया? बताइए.
अच्छा, अब आप मुझे बता दीजिए फिर आदित्यनाथ जी जिन्होंने आदित्यनाथ.in में लिखा है कि औरतें जो हैं ओनली गुड फॉर हाउस होल्ड चोर्स, व्हेन दे अक्वायर द क्वालिटी, मेन अक्वायर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ विमेन, मेन बिकम डिवाइन, एंड व्हेन वाइस वर्सा हैपेंस, विमेन बिकम राक्षस। आप इससे अप्रूव करते हैं इस बात को कि नहीं? एडीआर की रिपोर्ट है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द यूपी
Faizan bhai, you don't want to answer the question that Shehzad asked you. It's okay because we can't go. Yes, Dr. Ranganathan.
नहीं, देखिए, नंबर वन, फैजान भाई, जैसे मैंने कहा ना, डिस्पाइट ऑल द इश्यूज दैट ही हैज प्रॉब्लम्स विद हिम, ही इज माय एल्डर ब्रदर, सो आई एम पार्शियल टू हिम। अब ये वॉट अबाउटरी कर रहे हैं। अब इसमें मैं एक स्क्रिप्चर लाऊंगा दैट हैज सैंक्शनड वाइफ बीटिंग। नाउ विल आई आस्क हिम टू कंडेम इट? तो मैं वहां जा ही नहीं रहा। मैं इनसे ये कह रहा हूं कि डिड अखिलेश यादव जी और डिंपल यादव जी कंडेम स्पेसिफिकली द लेट मुलायम सिंह जी कॉमेंट कि लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है? डिड दे और डिड दे नॉट? यस एंड नो, फैजान भाई।
Oh, no, I will respond. First of all, sir, that statement was taken out. Please, बीच में मत बोलिएगा. That statement was taken out of context, and it was some media editing happened. Still, Dimple Yadav ji and Akhilesh ji, just to clarify, they said कि भाई कोई औरत के ऊपर इस तरह की बात को हम tolerate नहीं करेंगे. The matter was settled, sir.
आजम खान का
कोई
comment
out of context
on
नहीं है.
Jayaprada?
Faizan Kidwai, if you want me to play out, I can pull that comment out and play it. But Mr. Sharma hasn't spoken. He's been listening to this intently. He's heard all sides. Mr. Sharma. Siddharth ji.
Swati Maliwal.
Yes, sir.
Swati.
Boliye, sir.
Question.
Sir, you
हाँ,
don't
sir,
need a
sir,
question. I'm sure you've come prepared. जो तैयारी है सुना दीजिए पूरा.
नहीं, स्वाति मालीवाल पार्टी.
सर, इस देश को ना पिछले एक हफ्ते में जेनजी ने बहुत अच्छे से तैयार कर दिया है. जेनजी मूवमेंट हैज एसेंशियली सेट इन कॉन्क्रीट द एजेंडा फ्रॉम पॉलिटिक्स इनटू पॉलिसी. Now, what has happened is that Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned because of the Gen Z pressure. After Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned, the Gen Z movement has not asked who that replacement has to be. And the government, in its own wisdom, has asked for 30 days with the Gen Z movement that they will come up with the draft reforms and have a talk with them. So, चाय से ज्यादा केतली हमको गर्म नहीं होनी चाहिए. Since the new team, whichever it is keeping its wisdom to itself, at least after taking charge. So why should we become too charged up with that? Let us wait. Without prejudice to anyone, Congress has a bad habit of lowering the discourse level. Now, reform means bringing a better kill than retiring Kohli. It's about a capable team and not about a single individual. When a state government like Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi could seek out a Nobel laureate like Abhijit Banerjee to advise its education model, why can't BJP also seek such highly educated men to usher in those new reforms? If BJP leaders can go to educationist Sonam Wangchuk with a juice, why not go to him again with an appointment letter, at least as a member of that education reform committee? It's a simple thing that it's a reform happening. There's nothing adversarial here. Right now, I don't see anything adversarial. The Gen Z was demanding some reforms. The government has accepted those reforms. The government has said that we are putting up a new team. In 30 days' time...
No, Mr. Sharma, is the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan because of Gen Z or Rahul ji?
Gen Z. Who is Rahul? No, nobody else takes the credit here. It was Gen Z within 5 days.
Dr. Ranganathan, while you were speaking, is wanting you to answer a specific question about the Punjab Education Minister over the class 12th exam. And then I have another small question for you. Dr. Ranganathan, quickly.
हाँ, मैं बस ये कहना चाह रहा हूं अपने आप के मित्र सिद्धार्थ जी से कि भाई बहुत अच्छा है कि इन्होंने लोबो लॉरिएट को चुना, वांगचुक जी को रोल देना चाहते हैं, तो ऐसा करिए ना, वांगचुक जी को पंजाब का एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बना दीजिए. क्योंकि जब आप धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को रिजाइन करवाना चाह रहे थे क्योंकि पेपर लीक हुआ, ये देखिए पंजाब में कितने पेपर लीक हुए. 2023 का पेपर लीक खुद हरजोत सिंह जी मान गए पेपर लीक हुआ, खुद पंजाब एजुकेशन बोर्ड मान गया पेपर लीक हुआ. तो इसके बारे में आपको कुछ कहना नहीं है. ये जेनजी की बात नहीं मान रहे आप. सिद्धार्थ जी बड़ी गलत बात कर रहे हैं. ये तो आप हिट विकेट हो गए टू यूज द लवली क्रिकेट एनालिसिस दैट यू यूज. अब भागिएगा मत. अपने लीडर की तरह आंसर करिए।
Just add to this
Okay.
only. Just add to this because.
आ रहा है सर, एक और क्वेश्चन है। आप प्यार इतना है आपके
वो
लिए।
देखिए ऐसा एजुकेशन मॉडल, आई एग्री, इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम शराब मंत्री हैड बिकम शिक्षा मंत्री ऑल्सो। 500 स्कूल्स के बदले 800 ठेके खोल दिए थे और 2/3 स्कूल में साइंस टीचर ही नहीं थे, मतलब कोई आनंद रंगनाथन ना बने। एनीवे फॉरगेट दैट। पीपीएससी नाइब तहसीलदार एग्जाम May 2022 has been leaked by these people. March 2023 Punjab state exam has been leaked. Punjab class 12th exam has been leaked. ADO
it's all
exam
there.
has
Let
been
him
leaked.
answer.
Now these are the examinations.
सिद्धार्थ
leaked.
शर्मा, I'll make it easier. वो पहले तो आप डॉक्टर रंगनाथन जो बोल रहे हैं, आप सोनम वांगचुक को अनाउंस कर दीजिए that he is a new education minister of Punjab. Think of a role for अन्ना हजारे also sir. उनका तो आम आदमी पार्टी ने क्या किया वो सबको
बना दो, लोकपाल बना
कुछ
दो,
तो बना दीजिए सर उनको।
लोकपाल।
नहीं बिल्कुल करेंगे ना सर। केंद्र सरकार उनको, सोनम वांगचुक जी को अपनी कमेटी में ले ले, उनके नीचे जो जूनियर है उनको हम लोग जूनियर सरकार पंजाब में ले लेते हैं। बड़ा अच्छा काम तो शुरुआत करना।
नहीं, अगर केंद्र सरकार एंटी सोनम वांगचुक है, एंटी रिफॉर्म है, तो आप लोग लीड लीजिए ना। आप लोग क्यों नहीं ले रहे? अन्ना हजारे से लास्ट टाइम कब मिलने गए थे केजरीवाल जी?
वांगचुक बोला ही नहीं। हमने कहा कि वांगचुक जी को आपने जाके पानी जूस पिलाया,
बोला
बहुत अच्छी
है।
बात है। उनको भी एजुकेशन
Someone said it from the stage. सोनम वांगचुक को नया एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बनाओ। You know who said it? I think it was Mr. Kejriwal.
Sir, we are very clear right now. I am saying that if BJP can go to Mr. Wangchuk and say that he can have a juice, why not in this new committee of
But sir,
reforms?
if the BJP is not doing it, Mr. Sharma, why can't you do it? The BJP is bad. The BJP is anti-students. The BJP is anti-reform. The BJP is a Gomutra party according to the logic we've heard today. Why doesn't the Aam Aadmi party step up? DMK तो बना नहीं सकती because वही सरकार में नहीं है। आप हैं, आप बना दीजिए।
Sir, coming to Punjab, as much as one tries to find a Schrodinger's cat, one can't because it doesn't exist in reality. It's just a thought experiment.
Okay.
The first fact is that for 10 years under AAP rule, not a single student protest for education reforms.
Okay, so
happened
you
in
will
just
wait for protest to happen. Right. Maybe the BJP should, take note of this protest call and then do a protest till that minister is forced to resign. We'll have to move on.